Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your speaker QCY SP7 on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and then go to the search at the bottom. Now click at the search line at the top and write QCY. Search. And you should install the application what called QCY. Now open it. Agree. Next, I'm going to turn off it. Allow. Then I'm going to skip it. Also this one and finish. Now we need to enter to our account. You can create a new one by click at the register new account. We cannot skip it, so we need to do this. And also click I have read it here. Yeah, and now we can write email and password. After that, click login. So let me speed up it for you. Now, if you need notification, click allow. If you don't need, click do not allow. Right here, you need to click allow to add the speaker to the app. And right here, I'm going to allow this notification. Close. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!